Hello folks, this is Ajha from inspiredrise.com and today we are going to talk about the Infinix Note 5. So guys, let's start with an unboxing for the Infinix Note 5. This is the official box for this smartphone and I think that Infinix is finally on the right track that they have started making Android One based smartphones. This smartphone comes with really good specifications for a nice price point, and now let's just start with the unboxing process. So inside what you get firstly is the smartphone itself. Let's just open this up and you can see that you get the smartphone itself. It comes with Google Lens and Google Assistant support baked in because it's an Android One smartphone with absolute stock Android. And let's just remove all of the stickers etc present on this smartphone. The back has got very nice finish, and inside what you get is the SIM tray slot removal pin, and you also get the screen protector along with the warranty card and the user manual etc. And you also get the soft cover on the inside. It's a TPU cover, it's black color, but I think that the smartphone looks great without the cover itself. If I talk about the design, the back has got quite a nice finish, and you can see that the sides are curved like the Samsung Galaxy Note lineup. On the right hand side you get the power button, the volume rocker and the SIM tray slot. The SIM tray comes with a dedicated micro SD card slot, so that's something really good. At the bottom there's the micro USB port, 3.5mm jack, microphone and the speaker grill. And if you look at the back, there's the fingerprint sensor and the camera protrudes very slightly. It has got a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio, and there's no notch, so that's something a lot of people would like. At the front there's also the LED flash along with the front selfie camera. If I talk about the specifications, it comes with the Helio P23 chipset, 3 or 4GB of RAM, 32 or 64GB of storage, and if you talk about the sensors, it does come up with all of the sensors required for good smartphone experience. If we talk about the benchmark performance, this smartphone scored around 84,000 plus on the Antutu benchmark. Similarly on the Geekbench also it scored quite good. If I talk about the gaming performance, it showed minor amounts of lag on GTA San Andreas when the settings were pushed to the ultra maximum settings, and on PUBG it was able to run on medium settings. The performance was okay, acceptable to a certain degree, and you can easily play PUBG on this smartphone for long durations of time without any major frame drops. After playing PUBG for around almost an hour, I came second. Blame my Jio internet for this. And the temperature of the smartphone wasn't that high, so that means that it does not heat up considerably when playing for really long durations of time, and that's something commendable by Infinix guys. And now let's talk about the experience of this device in terms of the software. So I feel that it's one of the best devices by Infinix till now, and it comes with Android 8.1 out of the box. It would soon get an update to Android Pie, and this smartphone supports Project Treble, which means that seamless system updates are supported. Now let's talk about the camera for this device. It comes with 12 megapixel rear camera with 1.25 micrometer pixel size and a 16 megapixel front camera. It supports 1080p video recording on both the front and the back cameras, and it supports professional mode and a lot of other options. Talking about the picture quality, I found that the 16 megapixel front camera did quite a good job, and the back camera also had a lot of sharpness and dynamic range, but in low light there was considerable amount of noise in the photographs taken from the back camera. Even in the portrait mode, the edge detection is still not proper, and you can see that there are some places where the bokeh is not proper. Talking about the video quality, it was average, and sadly EIS is not present on the videos for both the front as well as the back camera. The front camera also shoots up to 1080p videos, but the quality was so-so. The biggest selling point of this device is the 4500 mAh battery, which really lasts really long. And the 4500 mAh battery lasted quite good for me, and the SOT is really excellent. While playing PUBG for 49 minutes, the drain on battery was just 13%. This goes on to show that the battery life is considerably good. Zoom to fill and few other features which are required for a lot of phones are all present on this one, and I had some issues with this phone regarding the fingerprint sensor. When it worked, it was okay, but sometimes the fingerprint sensor refused to work, and that is a big con for this phone. And now let's do a sound quality test. So the audio quality was loud, crisp and clear. And now let's talk about the pricing for this device. It would retail for a price of 10,000 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant, 32GB storage, and 12,000 rupees for the 4GB RAM variant and 64GB of storage. And personally, I feel that this smartphone is quite polished for this price. It's an Android One smartphone, so you can't go wrong with the software. The battery life on this phone is amazing. There's the issue with the fingerprint sensor, but apart from that, I would be very nitpicky if I point out few other things about the smartphone. The camera sure needs a little bit more work, but I feel that almost all of the issues that are present in this smartphone can be resolved via software updates, and then it might become a perfect smartphone for the price. So guys, this was it for this one. In case you like this video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.